According to epidemiological studies, the number of cases of inflammatory bowel diseases is on the rise in newly industrialized areas and among young people in developed countries. Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are two types of inflammatory bowel diseases characterized by uncontrolled inflammation in the gut. Despite recent advances in overall disease management and improved therapeutics, once the diagnosis of IBD is made, irreversible bowel damage has already occurred in a significant number of patients. According to the European Federation of Crohn's and Ulcerative Colitis Associations, there are 10 million people worldwide living with IBD, and it's becoming a great concern in many quadrants of society. Why are so many people affected by it? Can we predict IBD? How can we prevent the global rise in cases? We will explain the diseases and challenges we are addressing, our hypothesis, and finally, how our results will contribute to a solution. We want to understand what causes the shift from good health to intestinal inflammation. Our goal is to help find ways to predict and prevent IBD and other related gut issues. The gut lining has a layer of sugar chains called glycans that composes the glycocalyx. This acts as a protective barrier between the gut surface and its surrounding environment, like microbes and the immune system. Recent studies have shown that changes in the glycans composition that protect our gut can interfere with beneficial bacteria, changing the microbiome, triggering our immune system and leading to intestinal problems like inflammation. Changes in these glycans can be detected in the serum years before diagnosis. We believe that changes in the sugar structures and composition of the gut lining could be the initial event that disrupts both local and systemic mechanisms, leading to a transition from good health to ongoing inflammation. That is why the project GLYCANTRIGGER was founded by the Horizon Europe Research and Innovation Actions, bringing together 9 organizations from 6 different European countries and 1 non-European country. The project will focus on how changes in the glycan structures can affect the way our gut bacteria communicate with our body, leading to inflammation. Our goal is to understand the entire process and find ways to stop it. GLYCANTRIGGER proposes a thorough and innovative approach to better understand the transition from health to chronic inflammation in patients with Crohn's disease. This is the most extensive scientific study to date related to glycans and IBD. Over the next 6 years, a team of scientists and medical experts will investigate the relationship between glycans and inflammation in the gut. If these hypotheses are confirmed, it creates a path to discover methods that can detect and halt IBD early, potentially transforming the lives of thousands with this disease. By understanding the early stages of the disease, we can potentially treat it better and maybe even stop it before it starts. GLYCANTRIGGER, researching and understanding IBD.